So this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask.
So it smells very sweet and watermelon.
Smells like watermelons.
That is literally just like fresh cut watermelon. I love it. It kind of feels like a melting ice cube.
I think it's glass, which I love.
Comes with this cool little spatula guy. Ooh.
Like a liquid jelly, if that's a thing.
The texture's like really cooling. Feels really, really nice and refreshing.
There's something about watermelon that's just refreshing, and I think about hydration.
I would describe my skin as classic combination. I'm a little oily in the T-zone, get my blackheads every now and then.
I've always had dry skin. I've always been told whenever I go to a facial that I should be drinking a lot more water.
So my skin is very sensitive and I have a lot of hormonal breakouts along my jawline. So since I have oily skin, I'm only going to be using it as a mask for 10 minutes.
I'm going to be using it at night and sleeping in it, and then I'm going to switch off and just use it as a mask.
So I'm going to be using the watermelon sleeping mask as a sleeping mask. Hi, so this is night one. I'm about to try the Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask.
Got our little spoon guy.
Mix it, pat it in until it's absorbed.
Feels really cooling.
It feels very hydrated, very, very smooth.
It's really refreshing.
The skin feels super fresh and pretty glowy.
All right, so it's the next morning. I'm doing a check-in. Actually, some of the redness has gone down a little bit.
So I just got back from the gym and I am about to wash my face. Since I'm using it as a mask that I'm gonna wash off soon, I'm gonna do a little bit of a thicker layer.
I've been using the mask for a few days and my skin actually feels really moist for the first time in maybe 10 years.
This product has really, really helped address other skincare concerns of mine, such as texture and dryness.
My favorite thing is the texture.
It felt really cooling, really soothing.
I used it 2 more times, and at that 3rd time, my face just felt a lot more hydrated, and the way I can tell is just the way that my foundation goes on.
When it dried down, it kind of felt like a second skin. My skin felt really, really good.
I really feel like my skin was a lot softer than when I normally wake up, so that was great.
My skin feels really glowy and soft and smooth.
I mean, this sounds kind of corny, a little bit of a dewy, glowy finish. I guess that's where they came up with that name.